Hey everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a quick look at the Extendable UTV Lug nut wrench from Tusk. Hey, what's going on everyone? Thanks for checking in. Real quick, we want to show you this Extendable UTV Lug nut wrench from Tusk. Awesome tool to have, whether it's a shop, the garage, or if you want to have in your tool pack on your side-by-side when you're out on the trail. What makes this nice to have is two big features. The first, this will come with a 14, 17, and 19 millimeter deep shaft, half-inch drive socket. The other great feature is that it's extendable from 11 to 17 inches. So if you need some extra torque to tighten down your lug nuts or to loosen those, you can easily adjust the length of this. And there's actually detents on here, so there's multiple different lengths. So again, 11 to 17 inches, and that'll just give you enough torque to either loosen or tighten down your lug nuts. And what's nice too is that when you do have it all the way down to 11 inches, that way it fits easier in your tool pack or the toolbox in the garage. So if you've been looking for a lug nut wrench, look no further than this one from Tusk. If you have questions or comments, leave those below, we'll get those answered. And to grab yours, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over 75 bucks, ship free. If you like this little spotlight, subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.